Just a minute, I'm putting it on tile. Okay, it's on tile.
Okay.
It is Thursday, our new meeting date, July the 6th at 5 p.m. WIKISPEED. So over to you, Mike.
Okay, it is Michael Olchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. My report is pretty short. No progress the rest of the week. The stuff I'm expecting to get done next week is a little bit on the tank level for the website, and hopefully I remember to bring the Sunfounder up to the lake because I forgot it last week. And I'm hoping to get the pie hole loaded. Not most of this has nothing to do with WIKISPEED. And blocks, nothing you can help with. It's nice outside, and I want to do stuff outside instead of work on WIKISPEED stuff. Back to you.
Okay, Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And this week I made an attempt to clean out the Trello, which we could talk about in Crosstalk, by creating a new board called WIKISPEED LRW Post-Pandemic. And aside of that, not too much. Blocks are just other things. And also, I'm looking for my glue gun because I decided the little tiny screwdrivers through the LiDAR it was way too tiny. So just a dab of hot glue, I think. And that's another question I've got for Crosstalk. And yeah, that's it for me. Back to you for the retro.
Retro, I got 0 out of 4 done. 1 for showing up to stand up is 1 out of 10. And team, I'll go with 7, just like I did last week.
Okay, I'm going to do a 5 for myself. I got like half of what I was hoping. And I agree, 7 for the team. And the process improvement, yeah, is to carry on with kind of presenting a good face so we feel good about recruiting or finding people. So that's it, and I'm going to, just so I remember, I'm going to stop recording this.